Hello everybody, if you struggle when trying to stretch your pizza dough, if it keeps snapping back and makes you want to throw everything out the window, keep watching and I will tell you the most likely reason. Actually, I will show you. Let's move to my table here and I will give you a demonstration. I've got here two doubles. They come from the same batch. I made them last night. Now they are ready to stretch, possibly. Many recipes, they recommend to let your dough rise and then to split it in 2 and 3, depending on how many pizzas you need. Roll them and then just at that point stretch them and finally put the toppings and bake them. This doesn't work because you will make the gluten stronger. The gluten will work against you, basically. So let's try and emulate the kind of procedure. As I said, these two doubles, they come from the same batch. I wanted to split them before just to make my life easier. And just because I will leave only one, like, ready to use. I'll leave it here. Let me cover it. Okay, I will do with this double what you're not supposed to do. I have a little bit of flour here. Okay, now as you can see, this double is pretty ready. Look how soft it is. It seems happy to be opened, but I will manipulate it just to emulate what many recipes suggest you to do, hence shaping your dough again after resin time. So if I manipulate it, oh, look at all the bubbles. This is, it's a pity, it's so ready. But many recipe tells you you should manipulate them to make them round again. But this is a mistake because you are going back to where you started. In my case, last night, I will say 20 hours ago. Now, if I try and stretch this double, you will see I will struggle completely because the gluten is strong again and it's gonna be almost impossible to stretch. Let's try. Look how hard it is to stretch it. It really doesn't want. Can you see? It's elastic. It shrinks back. I can stretch as much as I want, but it doesn't really want to open. I'm just destroying this double. It's such a pity. This is when people decide they want to use the rolling pin. The rolling pin. By the way, it's easy for you to see that this is almost impossible to stretch, and I will reshape a ball again. I will let it rise again. Enough with this one. Now I can finally show you how a good dough reacts when you try and stretch. So this is my good dough. There we go. I will show you how effortless will be stretching a good dough. A dough where the gluten is relaxed enough, it started to decay a little bit, so it's not shy anymore. It's going to be easier for this dough to stretch. just a little bit of flour. Now I usually like to leave a little bit of the cornicione all around. Here, for the sake of our video, I will do it like nice and slowly, just to show you how easy it will be to stretch the pizza. See, it's not shrinking back, it's not going back to where it started. I can do it once again. Open. It's just opening, it's so easy. I don't really need to do anything else. I will just shake away the excess of flour with a few movements here. There we go.